Hey everyone, welcome to Wildwood and Lavender Farm. This is day 15 and today I have a lunch appointment at Blue Mountain Lavender Farm. My family and I, the ladies in the family, we're going to be going out there and taking a picnic lunch and just enjoying some time. So I'm trying to get some stuff done around here before then. I thought I would start working on some of the catnip that is all over the farm. And this big bundle of catnip here is right in the middle of my raspberries, and it gets in the way when we want to come out and pick the berries. So I'm going to work on cutting these down, getting them hung up, and then I'm going to dig them out and hopefully get it all. So let's get to work on that. You can see all this down in here. That is all catnip. Huge bush. It was here last year too, so it's just grown up from its roots from last year. Let's get that out of there. I have access now to some of these dead canes from last year, so I'm going to go ahead and trim those out too. Some of them just break right off. Look at that. No need to trim those. We have this vine plant that has overgrown them as well, and so they're all sticking together because of this vine. out this root system here. That's, oh, what's that? Hello. Nice little moth. Check out that. It's huge. But it is good to have that gone. It's been there for a couple years. Oh, it looks like I dug up a raspberry plant too. That's too bad, but it was right there. Its roots are probably all tangled up with the catnip roots. Well, that's one catnip plant down. Umpteen more to go. Alright, I am done for now with cutting the catnip. I just wanted to show you how much I got this time around. And when you see this, please realize that there's probably at least this amount again out there to cut down, if not more. So I'll show you this real quick, and then it's getting time for me to get ready for my little picnic lunch. And so I'm gonna go get ready for that. But I wanted some of those raspberries for my lunch, so I'm gonna go pick some of those first, so you can come along with me for that. So we have water through the big pipes, and now our entire pumpkin field and garden is watered all at once. No moving of the hoses or sprinklers. So it's a relief to have that going because it saves a lot of time on our part. So I'm very excited Brent has been out here working all afternoon while I was enjoying myself at Blue Mountain Lavender Farm with my ladies. I took some footage of the farm so you can so you can enjoy it. And I have one more thing I want to show you before I sign off for the day. So let's go take a look. Okay, one more thing before I show you. I set the tripod sprinkler up here for now. Eventually we're going to have more of the handline that comes out over here, but there's a T joint that we need to get, and it's going to be a little while before we get it because it costs $60. Crazy. And then there's some other pieces that we need too. So we have to wait to get those. So I put up the tripod sprinkler over here in the strawberries, but I'm noticing that it's not moving at all. So I'm going to go fix that. Like it's moving now. We're gonna watch it for a minute and make sure that it's moving. So my dad is mowing down by the creek. Brent had come through earlier with the weed whacker to make a pathway, but we're gonna get this stuff cleaned up one way or another. I moved the sprinkler over from the chicken run garden because this garden was needing to be watered. And what I wanted to show you is right over here. And I can't really get to it in good fashion, so we're gonna look at it from the side. Just a second here. Oh, sprinkler's gonna come back, hold on. Oh, it's such a good feeling to have that water running. Love that sound of the sprinkler. Refreshing water. But look, our first sunflower. That's exciting. And we have another one about ready to burst open right here. Okay, so my next project for the day is working on this catnip. Gonna get it hung up, and I think that'll be it for the day because I have to take my second son to karate this evening, so I have to make sure I have supper ready on time. So all that kind of stuff. I'm just going to be busy doing this. Since you'll know what I'll be doing, we'll just see you tomorrow. Thanks for joining me here for day 15 on the June on the Farm series. Thanks. Bye. you.